Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use copy tool in Audacity software. If you want to copy your track or small portion of your track from your audio file, then you can use copy tool in your Audacity software. So please keep watching the complete video. I will show you a method through which you can easily copy your track from Audacity software. And if you learn about Audacity software, how to install this Audacity software or how to use it, then please visit our YouTube channel and watch our previous videos. You can also check video description for more details. So let's get started and let's learn how to use copy tool in Audacity software. So first of all, I will open my Audacity software and import my audio track. Go to file section, import audio, and browse your audio file. Open it, and here is our audio file in Audacity. So if you want to copy this portion from your file, then you have to select it first. After selecting it, you can go to this icon, and if you press this icon, it will automatically copy this portion of your selected audio. You can also copy this selected part by going to edit menu and then click on copy. Then I will if I click on copy if I click on copy, then it will automatically copy my selected part. Now I will paste it on any of Now I can paste it in new tracks, or if I want to paste it here, I can easily paste it by right clicking on this track and go to paste option. So if I click on paste option, you can see that it is automatically paste at that area where I place my cursor. So this is a short video tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel and press bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys later in the next video. Bye.